In this picture, you will find the various types of cooperative societies. We will discuss each type of cooperative society one by one. First, consumers cooperative societies. These societies are formed to protect the interests of consumers and to promote their welfare. Consumers who want to obtain good quality products at reasonable prices often join these societies. Consumer Cooperative Society purchases goods in bulk directly from the wholesalers and sells goods to the members, thereby eliminating the middleman. Profits, if any, are distributed on the basis of either their capital contributions to the society or purchases made by individual members. Next, cooperative societies, producers cooperative societies. As the name shows, these societies are set up to protect the interests of small producers. This type of society aims to enhance the bargaining power of the small producers. This society provides or supplies raw materials, equipment, and other inputs to the members and also buys their output for sale. Profits are distributed among the members according to each member's contribution to the total pool of goods produced or sold by the society. Next type of society is credit cooperative society. As the name suggests, credit cooperative society is established for providing easy credit to the members and that too at a lower rate of interest. The loan is provided out of the money which is raised as capital and deposit from members. It means that suppose there are 100 members of the credit cooperative society, some have contributed 1000 as capital, others may have contributed 5000, some have contributed 10,000 towards the capital of the cooperative society. There are some other members who have also deposited 1 lakh, 2 lakh as deposit money for which they get interest from the cooperative society. So this type of money which has been deposited as capital and this type of money which has been deposited in the shape of deposits, all this money together, suppose it forms 10 lakh. So any loan which will be given by the cooperative society from this 10 lakh. The aim of such societies is to protect the members from the exploitation of the lenders who charge high rates of interest on loans. Next society is marketing cooperative society. As the name suggests, its main purpose is to do marketing. Such societies are established to help small producers in selling their products. The society aims to eliminate middlemen. It pools the output of individual members and performs marketing functions like transportation, warehousing, packaging, etc. to sell the output at the best possible price. Profits are distributed according to each member's contribution to the total pool of output. An example of marketing cooperative society in India is Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, which sells the products under the brand name Amul. Mother Dairy is also an example of marketing cooperative society. Next type of cooperative society is cooperative housing societies. As the name suggests, it is concerned with housing problems. Cooperative housing societies are established to help people with limited income to construct houses at reasonable cost. These societies are engaged in acquiring land from general public and construct flats or provide plots to the members on which the members themselves can construct the house as per their choice. An example of cooperative housing society is implies housing societies, etc. Next type of cooperative society is farmers cooperative society. To get the benefits of large scale farming and to increase the productivity, small farmers of a particular area may join their hands to form this type of cooperative society, and they go for mass farming. Mass farming means collective farming instead of individual farming. Such a society is beneficial to the members, that is farmers, in many ways, like pooled resources, land and labor, and providing good quality input such as seeds, fertilizers, insecticides, irrigation equipment, and support services to the farmers. Now we'll throw some light on the Amul's amazing cooperative ventures. Amul is a very well-known brand in India so far as the dairy products are concerned. Amul is an Indian dairy cooperative society which has its headquarters in Anand in Gujarat state. Amul was started in 1946. Why it was started? At that time, in a particular district, a small area which is known as Kera in Gujarat, there was only one dairy which was getting the milk from the small farmer and selling the same at exorbitant prices in Bombay, now Mumbai. But the farmers of the area were not getting proper price. They were being exploited by the trader of that area. They were feeling very harassed. So they approached Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which was a freedom fighter as well as a leader of that time, to help them out. The farmers also approached Morarji Desai. So Vallabhbhai Patel and Morarji Desai advised as well as helped them in forming the cooperative society. So now we come to the main topic. Amul was started in 1946 by a group of farmers to free themselves from the intermediaries and to ensure maximum returns for their efforts. So when that farmers of that small area in Gujarat started the cooperative society, it slowly and slowly began its operations on a very large scale, and now that small cooperative society is now has turned into a $1 billion company. There is no single owner of that cooperative society. Amul is now jointly owned by 3.6 million milk producers in Gujarat. Amul is India's number one dairy brand. Its popular brands are various. It sells its products such as butter, milk powder, cheese, chocolates, and millions of people use their products. Its products are not available only in India, but also in many foreign countries like Japan, Australia, New Zealand, UAE, Singapore, USA, Canada, etc. Dairy daily milk procurement of Amul is approximately 26 million liters, and that too from about 18,600 village milk cooperative societies. Amul now has a dealer network of 10,000 dealers, and about 10 lakh retailers are there who sell the products of Amul. More than 16 million producers in India are now associated with Amul. So, from all this, you can gauge the success story of Amul, which was started as a small cooperative society. In case of Amul, the farmer get paid instantly within a matter of few seconds. Amul gives back 80% of earnings to farmers who form the backbone of Amul. Amul, the taste of India. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.